Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the life of one of the most legendary figures in motorsport history, Don "Snake" Prudhomme. Whether you're a fan of drag racing or not, Prudhomme's impact on the sport is undeniable. Let's explore his incredible journey. Born on February 6, 1941 in San Fernando, California, Don Prudhomme didn't start out in racing. He initially found interest in cars while working on them in his teenage years. But it wasn't until 1959 when he first became involved in drag racing. After attending a drag race with a friend, Prudhomme was hooked. By 1961, he was already behind the wheel, racing in the West Coast drag racing scene. His talent quickly became apparent, and it wasn't long before he turned professional. In the mid-1960s, Don teamed up with another racing legend, Mongoose McEwen. Their rivalry in the sport became iconic, with McEwen driving the Mongoose car and Prudhomme as the Snake. Their on-track rivalry captured the imagination of fans everywhere. They were more than competitors. They were cultural icons, with their rivalry eventually becoming a storyline that brought even more attention to drag racing. Prudhomme's driving skills were undeniable, and by the early 1970s, he was already dominating the sport. He became known for his powerful performances and ability to handle the intense pressure of the track. Prudhomme's list of accomplishments is incredible. He earned 4 NHRA, National Hot Rod Association, Top Fuel Championships, and was part of numerous championship-winning teams. He won the prestigious U.S. Nationals 6 times and was involved in countless memorable moments on the track. Perhaps one of his most memorable feats was his victory at the 1978 NHRA U.S. Nationals. He made history by becoming the first person to go over 300 miles per hour in a drag car. This milestone was a game-changer for the sport, and Prudhomme was at the center of it. Beyond his career as a driver, Prudhomme was also an innovator. He helped shape the sport's equipment, particularly in developing new types of drag racing cars and engines. He was also involved in designing and managing race teams, showing his talents not just as a driver, but also as a team owner. In the 1980s, Prudhomme started his own team, known as the Snake Racing Team, where he continued to compete and mentor younger drivers, solidifying his legacy both on and off the track. Don Prudhomme's influence on drag racing is immeasurable. He not only achieved success on the track, but also played a key role in elevating the sport to the mainstream. His rivalry with McEwen transcended racing, influencing pop culture and inspiring countless fans. He was inducted into the International Motorsports Hall of Fame in 2004, and today, he remains a respected figure in the world of motorsports. So there you have it, Don "Snake" Prudhomme, a true legend of drag racing. His impact on the sport, his unforgettable rivalries, and his innovative contributions to the world of motorsports ensure that his legacy will continue for generations to come. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories about racing legends.